Imagine this. Your child is faced with a situation. The science experiment goes wrong, a friend spreads a rumor, there are too many tasks and too little time. What would you prefer they do? Panic or pause, think and find a way through? In today's rapidly changing world, memorizing facts isn't enough. What children truly need are critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Let's discover how you, as a parent, can help nurture these essential life tools. Namaste and welcome to Parent Connect, your go-to space to build better bridges between home and school. We all want our children to do well in academics, but doing well in life is just as important. To thrive in the 21st century, your child needs to go beyond the textbooks, to ask questions, challenge ideas, explore possibilities, and think independently. This episode is your guide to understanding what critical thinking and problem solving actually mean and how you can nurture them at home, just as we do in our classrooms at MNR Scottsdale. What is critical thinking? Critical thinking is the ability to examine facts and clarity, ask thoughtful questions, analyze ideas logically, identify biases, come to fair, reasoned conclusions. It is a skill that helps children not just learn but understand, not just accept but evaluate. Instead of saying, "That's what the book says," a critical thinker says, "Why does the book say that? Is it always true?" What is problem solving? Problem solving is the ability to identify challenges, think of multiple solutions, weighing pros and cons, making decisions, reflect and revise. It's about facing the unknown with logic, confidence and creativity. Whether it is fixing a broken toy or navigating a team conflict, problem solving makes children resilient and resourceful. Why these skills matter more than ever? In the age of automation, AI, rapid innovation, complex global issues, facts can be Googled, but thinking clearly, fairly and creatively cannot. Top recruiters across the world say, we don't just want toppers, we want thinkers, innovators and decision makers. How parents can build these skills at home? Ask open-ended questions. Instead of, "What did you learn today?" try, "What was one thing that confused you today?" or "What would you have done differently?" Encourage curiosity and exploration. Let your child ask why and how. Don't rush to answer. Instead, explore the answer together. Play thinking games. Introduce logic puzzles, strategy games like chess, or even riddle time after dinner. Support creative problem solving. When they face a challenge, ask, "What are the 3 ways you can try solving this?" Model it yourself. Speak aloud when you are problem solving at home. For example, "The light is not working. Let's check the fuse. If that's okay, we'll try another bulb." Value mistakes as opportunities. When they get something wrong, ask, "What did you learn?" Not, "Why didn't you get it right?" What we do at MNR Scottsdale. At MNR Scottsdale, critical thinking is always a way of life. Here is how we nurture it. Inquiry-based learning. Students ask questions, not just answer them. Design thinking challenges. Students build solutions for real-life problems. Case study discussions, analyzing perspectives and consequences. Reflective thinking journals, a space to process thoughts and doubts. STEM labs and robotics projects, applying knowledge in innovative ways. Group problem-solving tasks, fostering collaboration, reasoning and decision-making. We believe every child is a natural thinker. Our job is to keep that flame alive. Let's revisit the core takeaways. Critical thinking means analyzing, questioning, reasoning. Problem solving is about facing challenges logically and calmly. These are life skills not just classroom skills. Parents can nurture them through daily conversations, modeling, and mindset. At MNR Scottsdale, these are integrated into everything we teach. The world your child will enter is unpredictable. But if they can think clearly, act wisely, and solve problems boldly, they will thrive no matter what. Here is what you can do this week. Play a puzzle game as a family, like 20 questions or Sudoku. Ask your child, what's one problem you solved today, big or small? When they make a mistake, resist correcting them immediately. Ask, what else could you try? Watch a short video together and discuss, what would you do in that situation? Share your child's most creative solution this week in the comments. Like, share this episode with fellow parents. Don't miss our next episode, Instilling a Growth Mindset in Your Child. Thank you for joining us on this journey of nurturing minds that question, reason, and solve. Until next time, keep building thinkers, not just students.